When I first used this method, I was blown away by both the quality of the ad copy and the time it saved me. When your competition start writing better ads, your account suffers. What's your answer? Write even better ads. Today I'll show you how to write even better ads in under 10 minutes. Let's start by examining this ad for a portable infrared sauna. It looks adequate at first, but that's exactly the problem. It feels so generic and bland that potential customers will probably just scroll right past it. Here are the two ads I created with the method I'm about to show you. They work well for three reasons. They build trust by showing that more than 35,000 customers already use the product. They focus on what people really want, wellness and feeling recharged. They have a clear next steps for customers to take. When you combine these three things, you get ads that grab attention and get people to act. Hi, I'm Andrey with Adi Marketing. I help e-commerce brands grow with Google Ads. Let's go. This method is based on an advanced ad copywriting framework called the 23 Pillars of the Ad Copy Playbook, created by top PPC expert Ed Leake. This framework has been converted into an AI agent and packaged into a Google Ads script. The script takes inputs about your brand and product or service. Once executed, it creates multiple headlines and descriptions. The best part? The script learns and improves each time you run it, generating fresh headlines and descriptions with every use. Let me walk you through the process. What you need: ChatGPT account. I have a paid subscription, but I think it will work with the free plan too. An OpenAI API key. The script spends around 35 cents each time it runs, but when you sign up, you'll get a $5 credit. Google Ads account and the Google Ads script. $5 downloadable in the link below. To set up the Google Ads script, open Google Ads, Tools, Bulk Actions, Scripts, click plus. Paste the script and name it any way you want. Make the copy of this Google Sheet. Rename it. Copy the URL and paste it to the script. Open the URL, add the business name, Get Vital Plus, add business type, Wellness Appliances, add OpenAI API key. For that, log in to platform.openai.com, open the API keys menu, create a new secret key, copy it, paste it in the script. Let's collect inputs. The clarity column, open the ChatGPT page and enter this prompt. Why does us.getvitalplus.com exist and who do they serve? Copy the reply and paste it with the question in the clarity column. Next, ask ChatGPT what does us.getvitalplus.com do for its customers. Copy the reply again and paste it with the question to the clarity column. Add the phrase, which areas of the business do you want to advertise? Prioritize bestsellers/high margin. Underneath, add your main keyword, sauna, pod, infrared. In the most important keywords column, add sauna pod infrared. Find 2 to 3 dense reviews about this product and add it into the review column. Find several unique selling points and add them into the USP column. Let's run the script. Click Preview, authorize it. Done. Let's go back to the spreadsheet. Here's what we see in output. 8 descriptions, 15 headlines. We also see costs. The cost of creating this output was 33 cents. In the prompts tab, we see optimized prompts were added. If we check these checkboxes, the script will use optimized prompts the next time it runs. Let's do that. This time it took 4 minutes 28 seconds. Let's see the output. Good. Let's see costs. There are additional 33 cents of cost. That's it. I update my ads every 4 to 6 weeks using this method, and it works like a clock. When I first used this method, I was blown away by both the quality of the ad copy and the time it saved me. If you feel the same way, grab the script and use it to upgrade all your search ads. And if you need help with Google Ads, book a free strategy session using the link below. Want to see more videos about AI tools for Google Ads like this one? Let me know in the comments which tools you'd like me to review next. Have a great day and see you in the next video.